The cabin filter on this particular model is located up inside the dashboard. So what we're going to do is we have to take off this insulator underneath the bottom here so we can gain access to it. There's a screw right up inside here. We just got to take the covers down. Take out the cover, and then down underneath here is where the cabin filter is located. It's directly underneath the bottom. And we just need to take out that screw right there, and then we can take it down. So let me just get the right tool. Okay. Let me just take out the screw right here. Just take this piece and you just lift it out, and it comes out just like that, and then the filters are right up inside here. That's one, and then there's the second one back inside there too. We need to pull that one forward and then out. Pull it forward like that. I don't know if you saw that, but it was in the back right there. Pull it forward and then down and take it out. Put them off to the side, and you take your new filters, and the same thing. Watch your arrows to see which direction that it's going. You put it up inside here, push it up underneath the bottom, and then you slide it all the way to the back like that. And the same thing with the next one. You just take it, put it in here like this, push it up, all the way up like that, and the two of them are in. Hook your cover back over it like that, and we're going to put the screw in, and that'll be that. Let me grab it. Alright, so and then we just put the screw back in. By hand first, and tighten it in. Alright, the last thing we're going to do is we're going to put the sound insulator back up in where we took it out, up underneath the dash here. Alright, and that's it. Cover's back up, everything's nice and tight, and that's it. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching.